Hey guys, welcome back to Pinoy YouTube channel. And once again, my name is John Michael. You can call me JM for short. Yeah, that's who I am. You need to remember me. And I am very quiet right now because actually it's currently 10:21 p.m. So it's almost it's going midnight. Yeah, and I am very quiet right now because my parents are sleeping. Parents are sleeping. So hey, welcome back to Pinoy YouTube channel. Before before you watch the whole video, you need to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more exciting videos. Yeah, so okay, for today's episode, we will going to explore um, why Filipinos are known for speaking excellent English. From call centers to media, Filipinos have made a name made a name for themselves as some of the best English speakers and some of the best English speakers in the world. Yeah. So we're going to start right now. So first, let's take a look at the history of the English. Yeah, in the Philippines during American era, English was used as the language of education and government. Yeah, government. This legacy has continued the pres- to the present of the day, with English remaining one of the official languages in the Philippines. So yeah, that is the official official languages in the Philippines. So second, um, Filipino culture and languages play a big role in the development excuse me development of their English skills. Filipino are known for their ability to adapt to different languages and cultures. The flexibility has helped them become proficient in English. Yeah, especially English, as well as the other languages. And yeah, that's why Filipino are known to be a good speaker when it comes to English. Yeah. And third, the education system in the Philippines play a big role in developing Filipinos' English skills. Uh, English is one of the primary languages used in schools and universities, and students are encouraged to practice speaking, writing, and listening in English. And yeah, so I am this video is, I think it's young. This video is kind of short because I want to go to sleep. it's currently it's currently 10:25 p.m. and I want to sleep so much. I want to sleep. Yeah. And anyways, um, um, the students are encouraged to speak English, writing English, and listening in English. Yeah. And um, the fourth one is Filipinos use English in their daily lives, including work, education, and communication with other countries. Many Filipinos work in call centers where they use English to communicate with customers from the around the world. Wait, let me drink some water because my throat's kind of sore. Have some water, everyone. Good evening. I have a runny nose. Don't mind it. So let's go to continue. Um, let's continue about how Filipinos they speak English very excellent. Yeah, and what's um where did I end? Oh, fourth. Yeah. Let me repeat. Let me repeat. Um, fourth fourth is Filipino use English in their daily lives, including work, education, and communication with other countries. Many Filipinos work in call centers where they used to communicate. Anyways, my parents woke up. Yeah, and my parents just woke up. Let me hold a second. Okay, guys, let's continue. Where did I end um the fourth one? So Filipino use their English in their work, daily lives, education, and communication with other other countries. Um, Many Filipinos work in call centers where they use English to communicate with customers from around the world. So, oh, let me give you this. Let me give you this quote. Like mostly of the Filipino is scared when when they speaking in English and they said a wrong grammar. But remember this quote: wrong grammar doesn't mean that you are not educated. Yeah, exactly. So, anyways, let me give you some example of excellent English of Filipinos. So, call centers. Call centers Filipino are known for their excellent English skills in calling, like 911, what's your emergency, so blah blah blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that's it. And now how many percent? Let me see. Oh, it's 43%. So okay, guys, so it's currently 10:30 p.m. So I'm going to hurry up and yeah, excuse me, excuse me. So the first one is call center. Filipino are known for their excellent English skills in call centers. Yeah, that's why Filipino are very they are good when it comes in speaking English. And yeah, the dogs is kind of loud outside, so don't mind it. Just focus on me. You will going to learn why mostly of the Filipino are known to be good when it comes to speaking English. Anyways, so let me drink some. Thank you so much for giving me time while drinking water. So, anyways, the dogs are kind of loud. Yeah. Anyways, let's continue. So, first one is call center. The second one is education. Filipinos have a high level of education in English, which give them ability to speak excellent English when it comes to on like especially like a argument when they make a argumentative essay like that. And for me, I am a grade 10 student, and um, I I already have this topic in our English subject called a argumentative essays. And yeah, so anyways, call centers, education, and the third one is media. So Filipinos use their use their English in media, including television, radio, and newspapers. Um, mostly of the Filipino, like in the news. Yeah, when the news when they are um, when they are broadcasting about a something, like they will speak Tagalog, but sometimes they will speak English, like Taglish and Tagalog and English, they like combined. Yeah. And anyway, so first one, call centers, second, education, third, media, and number four is business. Yeah, business. So many Filipino business people use English to communicate with clients and partners from around the world. So yeah, that they have a business to use English, and how they communicate with clients, partners, and etc. from around the world. So while Filipinos have made a significant progress in speaking English, there are still challenges to overcome. One of the biggest challenges is the need for more English languages training and education, particularly in rural areas. However, this also presents an opportunity for Filipino to develop their English skills and compete in the global job market. So, and yeah, I hope you listen all I've discussed. No, discuss. Why discuss? I'm not. I'm not a teacher. I'm just vlogging in him. So, anyways, that's why Filipinos are known for speaking excellent English from their history culture to their education system and practical applications. Filipinos have developed a unique set of skills that make them some of the best English speakers in the world. So yeah, I think that's it for our video. I'm going to wrap things up. Yes, I'm getting sleepy. I'm going to make a another video about a Pinoy humor. Yeah, Pinoy humor. So anyways, I'm going to wrap things up because it's getting midnight. Yeah, and hopefully you 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 love watching this video, and be sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. I'm very quiet right now because my parents are sleeping. Yeah, sweet dreams, sleep well. excuse me. So, anyways, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos and learn some of my videos, please be sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more another exciting videos. And yeah, don't forget to leave a comment below and share this video with your friends. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and salute everyone. See you in the next video. Good night, everyone. Oh, in case I don't see you, but it's currently night right now. Anyways, in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Yeah, thank you.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.